Welcome to another episode of Roxy's Ride and Inspire. In this episode, I would like to teach you a small bunny hop and would like to share with you what I learned from the bunny hop about life. The move I will be teaching you today is a move to get over small logs or up a curb. And the motion is front wheel first, then the rear wheel, and then landing over the front wheel. A lot of coaches refer to this move as the bunny flop motion, so the flipping over hop. Other coaches also say, flop, that sounds kind of bad, it sounds like you're failing. For me, flop is just the first two letters of the word flipping and the last two letters of the word hop, so the flipping hop. So it's the bunny flop. Whatever you may call it, it doesn't matter. Today, we are learning the cool move to get over a small log or up a curb. Cool, right? So you might be asking yourself, why are we starting with a small bunny hop motion and why with this motion? Well, it's very easy. The bunny hop motion is actually a very complex move with a lot of parts belonging to it. And if we start with high bunny hops straight away, then a lot of people will get frustrated. And over the years of coaching, I've had a lot of clients come to me and ask me to learn the bunny hop. And when I ask them, like, how high do you actually want a bunny hop and what do you want to use the bunny hop for? All I said, well, I'd like to jump over logs or up a curb. So these were stuff like about 10 to 18 centimeters high, which is about 4 to 7.5 inches or something like that. So this is all a height that we can achieve with the bunny flop motion. And that's why we're starting with that. Let's get going with the individual moves. The first move of the bunny flop is the manual front wheel lift. That's the move you can see right now. And the movements are load, and then you want to lunge to the back and lead with the heels. I do have a separate video about this, which I will be linking below. The next move you want to practice is the rear wheel lift. For this, you want to preload, then explode up and create tension between pedals and handlebar. So point your toes down the moment you are stretching up to explode. You need to stay strong in your arms and you will feel pressure in your hands. Do not pull the brake. Next, you want to connect the two moves to get to bunny flop. So from a manual front wheel lift, you want to spring up and connect the front wheel to the rear wheel lift, which is then already a bunny flop. This is a complex move. But as I was saying before, to really learn it, I recommend booking a professional coaching live or online, such as the RLC Bunny Hop Masterclass or the Roxybike.Online class if you're German, where you have professional coach feedback included, so you can send in videos and get individual guidance. Now we've dealt with the ride part, and now I would like to share the inspire part of the bunny hop. When I started practicing bunny hops in all the different variations, I got really frustrated, to tell you the truth. I was practicing for ages before I was able to do the manual front wheel lift, let alone the bunny hop. And I had a lot of coaches approach me, and really they made me feel bad because they were like, you're not a coach if you can't do that, and if you're not doing a bunny hop, then you're not even an advanced rider, let alone a coach. And I started really taking this to the heart and feeling bad about myself, and then I started feeling inferior to others and everything. And then one day I came across this quote which says, "No one can make you feel inferior without your consent." So I started thinking, okay, so I can't feel inferior without consenting. And that is so true. The moment I started feeling inferior, I actually started consenting, so started believing what they said. If I didn't believe them, then I wouldn't have cared. And the more I thought about this, I started to understand that what they were saying was saying more about them than it was actually saying about me. So nowadays, if someone challenges me and gives me critique, there's two ways I react to it. Reaction number one is, let's say he's not right. So he's saying something evil, which is not right. Then I learn a lot about this person and don't take it personally. And if I come to the conclusion that what he or she is saying is right, then that's great. Then I learn something. So even if I do get an insult, I learn a lot. And that is the great thing about being insulted. And there's no need at all to get mad. And that is exactly what I learned over the bunny hop and with the bunny hop or bunny flop or whatever you may call it, which is why I wanted to share with you today in my video. I'm really curious to hear what challenges you faced when you learned the bunny hop or any other skill on the bike or off the bike. Just share with me in the comments below or just send me a message. If you would like to support me, then buy me a coffee, because I'm not earning any money with YouTube, which is why you don't see any ads or anything in my videos. And click subscribe, and I really hope to see you again for my next video. Goodbye.